Hello everyone, my name is Nilesh. Welcome to our HTML beginning series part 3. So today we will discuss about the heading tags. So there are six heading tag in HTML like H1, H2, H3, H4 and H5 and H6. So H1 tag is the larger tag in the heading tags. So we will create that. So H1 and we will give the message. This is the H1 tag. Okay. So I will run this program. If you see the this is the h1 tag we message it's showing in the dark and the larger insides. So this one is the h1 tag, and as the HTML recommended, this h1 tag are used in once in a one single page. Hence we can use this as a multiple time as well, like this. And if I refresh this, we can use this as a multiple time, but as a recommended they're saying we can use h1 tag once in our one single page. Okay, so we will discuss the second tag. The second is the h2 tag. So this is h2 tag. There are six tags, so I will create that as well. Okay. So here I created all the tags which are the heading tags. So this one h1, then h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. So h1 is the larger tag and h6 is the smaller tag. So I will go in the browser and refresh this. You see it's showing. So this h1 is the larger in size, then second it is the smaller, again this is the smaller. If you see the h6 tag, it is the very smaller. So these about the heading tags. So thanks for watching this video. We can continue more topic in our upcoming videos.